Hey, it's Jones with poolwarehouse.com, and today we're looking at the Malibu Nights outdoor pool table. Now, we sell thousands of pool tables, but this is by far the best outdoor table that we've come across. We'll kind of dive in for a few minutes and tell you why we love this table. For starters, it has got a beautiful powder-coated white, it's kind of like a glossy white aluminum frame. So that's an aluminum frame. What that means is this table can stand the test of time. Whether it's a rainstorm or a really hot summer day, the table is built to last. They've also got stretcher bars that run the length of the table that really add stability and support, so you don't have to worry about strong winds or anything picking this table up. Plus, it's aluminum, so it is a little bit on the heavy side. It also has leg levelers on each one of the legs, and that really helps create a perfect level playing field. And let's move up to the felt. Now, I really love this felt. It's a blue color. It really looks great next to a swimming pool, and it's UV and water resistant. So you can feel good about this being outside and your kids or adults playing pool on it and really not damaging the surface. This table also comes with a cover. So if you plan to leave it outside for extended periods of time, you may want to put the cover on it. We would definitely recommend that. Let's see what else. We've got ball cups that are made out of polymer. That means they're never going to rust, rot, or corrode. They're not leather ball cups, but it's an outdoor pool table, so these polymer ones really are perfect. Now, the table does come with 2 cues, chalk, rack, brush, and a set of balls. And of course, the cue ball. If you have questions about this pool table, feel free to visit us at poolwarehouse.com.